Hello YouTube, it's a beautiful day. We are here to install two inverters. Actually, it's three. One is still on its way down here. Three inverters in total, but we've done two. We have installed a Yohaco MPP charge controller, and we are about to install 18 panels in total. And this time around, it won't be on the roof as usual. We will be making a carport instead, which is going to beautify and the house and also serve its purpose of power generation. We don't mind the camera placement. The room is so small. We just had to try to fit in the whole systems. We also installed the Yohaco 60 amps MPPT charge controller. So about 6 panels we placed on that. 6 panels is also placed on this inverter, and we have another high-powered inverter, the 60 amps charge controller, the 5 KVA, and this is the 3.5 KVA, both 48 volts system. So the next phase is to install the batteries, put them somewhere here, and it's going to contain 12 batteries in total, 4 at the bottom, 4 at the middle, and the last 4 will be at the top. 8 will go for this inverter, while 4 of it will go for this 5 KVA inverter. I'm actually excited right now. It's a big system for me, though it was challenging at first because of the construction of the carport to fit the small available space in the compound. But finally we were able to figure something out and everything now fits. And at work. The system is a carport of 18 panels. It has been divided into 2 systems. 12 panels will be going for system 1, which has a 2.5 kVA, 48 volts, and has 8 batteries in its bank. And system 2 has a 5 kVA, 48 volt system, has 4 batteries and 6 panels. So we've decided to make the loads critical and non-critical loads. So the critical loads would be powered by the 3.5 kVA, while the non-critical loads will be powered by the 5 kVA. TVs, fridges, and the loads used regularly in the house will be powered by the 3.5, while the ACs, blenders, washing machine will be powered by the 5 kVA inverter. The panels are being put on the carport right now, looking beautiful. In no time we will be done installing the panels on the carport, and I will get back to you as we progress. Okay, finally, here is the arrangement. The whole 18 panels on the roof right now. So if you could notice, 12 of these are facing, 12 of these are facing different direction, and another 6 are facing on that direction. So the 6 ones at the top here would be connected to the 5 kVA inverter, and while the 12 will be connected to the 3.5 kVA inverter. So the 12 panels on this side would be for the critical loads, while the 6 on this side would be for the non-critical loads. So the next line is start connect them in series and parallel.
company here in Lagos, Ogba to be specific, Nigeria. Well, we've come to the end of our installation. We had to do overnight, to do overnight to meet up with our timing. The client wants to move into his new house, so we had to work ourselves up to get things done. And finally, here we are. The carport is ready, the installations are ready. The 5 KVA have been installed. Battery disconnect. Still going to tidy up this. Our breakers, PVA, charge controller breakers, AC breakers. So it's basically DC breakers, AC breakers. Charge controllers. 3.5 kVA inverter, 48 volts, and 5 kVA inverter, 48 volts. And we have a battery bank. Total of 12 batteries. 4 is for the 5 kVA, which runs the non-critical loads, while 8 of the batteries connected in series and parallel, making a battery bank of 48 volts, 400 amperes. Be run by the 3.5 kVA and would power the critical loads. Well, it's been an awesome experience. It's a beautiful one. We all loved it. The customer came in yesterday evening and he was so amazed with what we've done so far. And he's hoping to drop more videos soon. I remain Mr. Carport.